Hi dearies, welcome back to my channel. This is Ahviworld. Today I'm gonna show us how to revamp our old school bag for our babies. Let's get started. Here is the bag we are revamping. Can you see how old it's looking? It's peeling off. This is expected most times when you are using some kind of leathers that are not original. So what we're going to do is just to simply revamp this now. So here are the things we'll need for it. I'm going to use this fabric for it to cover it up, to wrap it. Then I'll also need my glue. Here is a glue top bond, the scissors, my brush, and the cutter. First of all, I'm going to start from this down part of the bag. So I will simply open it up like this and add some glue in there. I'm not adding glue everywhere because I don't want the fabric to get soaked. I'll just make sure that the glue goes in. You can see what I'm doing. I'll just open it up with my thumb, then make sure that the glue goes in there. It's kind of hard there. Thereafter, I'll just place it like this. Just use my scissors to push it in like this.
This is Ahviworld.
I'll keep adding my glue like this. Ensure that the glue goes in. You have to open it up with your thumb like this. Make sure it goes in very well so that you can stick the fabric in. Thereafter, I'll just place it like this, smoothing it up with your hand. Then I'll use my scissors to push it in like this. Keep pushing it, ensure that it goes in. You can actually use plier to push it in, but I can't lay my hands on my plier right now, so I just have to improvise. Okay, so continue like that. After that, I'll just trim it off with my scissors. Just trim off the excess. Okay, trim it down as minimum as possible. After trimming it off like this neatly, you can see that it's reduced. All I need to do is just to use my scissors, touch little of the glue, just place it in that edge and just push it down, push it in rather, push it in like this. So that glue that you use the scissors, the tip of your scissors to take, will just go a long way to seal it up. You can see it's very little glue, so I'll just seal it up. I'm not using brush this time around because if I use brush, it's going to mess up the whole thing. Okay, because I just need just little glue to push it in like so. It's already coming out, so I'll just remove it from there, then push it in. So I'll continue like this till I go around. Can you see it? Wow, very neat. One more thing, there was one something they used to embellish it here. I think it's where right here, right here. I think I need to bring it out, so all I need to do is just to use my cutter to cut a little. Make sure you feel it to know where it is so you won't go and cut over. can see that I've opened it up like this, so I will just add my glue to seal it up so that those rough edges will not go out. I'll add glue. Oh, that's too much. So ensure that the glue is not too much. Then allow it dry a little bit. Then use my cutter to push it in like this. So this place now is looking kind of rough, so I just want to cover it. I just cut a little piece of fabric. I folded it down like so. Then I'll just place it there to give it a kind of design there.
This is Ahviworld. This is Ahviworld.
I think it's too plain. To further embellish it, I will just go ahead and cut this kitten. The baby love kitten a lot, so I will just cut it out like this. Then fold the edges down with my glue. Thereafter, I will add another glue on top of it and place it on it like this. Wow, it's looking beautiful. Is this not lovely? You can make this for your baby even whenever you find out that any bag you have for your kids are wearing away. All you need to do is you don't have to throw them away. You just need to do something like this for them. This is amazing. Have you learned something new today? If yes, don't forget to give us thumbs up and subscribe to this channel, okay? So that we'll be getting more creative videos like this. This is amazing. Wow. Is this not lovely? Wow, it's looking like I just bought a new bag. You can customize your bags like this. Look for old bags or go to the market, those fairly used. You can buy some of them and make sure that you revamp them like this. You see the back is still very neat, but the front is worn out, and I've been able to change the look entirely to this. Here is the old bag, looking very rough and worn out. Can you see that? And here is the new one. Is this not lovely? This is revamping indeed. I remain Ahviworld. Stay tuned for more videos. Bye.